Hello everyone, I'm just going to do a video about accessibility in New York. The shops and that, there's no shortage of shops that you can get into with a wheelchair. There really isn't, there's something for everybody, and the most part it's quite easy. The biggest thing that everybody says to me is I wanted to take Jacqueline here with me, in case you don't know, Jacqueline's my wife, who is disabled and uses a wheelchair to get about. But I was wanting to take her, but I get talked out of it because I get told New York is quite busy and quite hard to get around in a wheelchair. I think Times Square, it's going to have problems there, right? But here I am, there's a street. This is quite fairly busy, but here I've got a big space here, so I would be comfortable taking Jacqueline. The chair that Jacqueline's got, it's a fold-up one. I've only got 2 batteries for it. Each battery lasts a fair bit, but I think it's about 5 miles. Now, I've been walking about all day. I probably couldn't do it with Jacqueline, but there's the hop on, hop off bus that can take you places, so I haven't checked that out for accessibility. We were going to do it today, but we've decided to do it tomorrow. So far, I wouldn't have a problem taking Jacqueline here. Now, another part of the reason why I didn't was because we were going to Vegas, then San Francisco and New York. And I thought San Francisco, I knew it was all hills, which it is. But it was actually, there would have been things for it to do. So I do feel bad, but we've came to a kind of decision. I'm going to take her, just us, go for a week in Vegas, and then some point I'll do San Francisco, and then I'll do New York. I probably wouldn't do a week in San Francisco, maybe 4 nights or something. For myself, I know what it's like, I know what to expect. Maybe be a wee bit limited in some things, but generally, I think it would be alright. Because look here, here's another example, look there, there's space there. The only thing I would say, Jacqueline being disabled, she wants to be free, she wants to be able to do things and get people restricting her. And I'm guilty of that as well, but it's been the best of intents. So if I was to take her here, I would need to sit her down and say, look, you go to Times Square, don't go away from me, because it's hard to find somebody in that crowd, especially when there's somebody in a wheelchair and they're like, I'm heading down there. I'm on my way to Times Square and hopefully get something to eat. It's now about 5 o'clock at night and I've been on the go since about 9 o'clock this morning. 9 o'clock this morning, went and had breakfast, headed to the hotel, grabbed my bag with all my equipment and headed out to film. So I do like New York, and I can see why people say no, it's not suitable for a wheelchair. I haven't seen many, I'll be honest. I've only seen about a handful of wheelchairs. So I don't know. But I know Jacqueline would love to visit here. Now, out the 3 I get told Vegas and New York would be the worst for wheelchair access. But I have to say, I think I would take her to Vegas. I think Vegas would be better for somebody in a wheelchair. I loved Vegas actually. So much to do, well, same in New York, but the thing with Vegas is it's all fairly close together. You know, you can stay in the strip and it's fine. Anyway, I'm going to close to music. I'm going to end this video here before I get a copyright strike. So thank you very much for watching, and please like, subscribe and share. It really helps. Thank you. Bye bye.